What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing a review of two trading brokers that I have experience in using. These are Trading212 and eToro. First we will go through the results that I got for trading stocks on Trading212. Then we'll do pros and cons for this platform. Next step will be to compare how eToro stands against Trading212. And lastly I will share on my plans on using these platforms going further. Keep in mind that these are my experiences and opinions, so you can decide for yourself which platform better suits your needs. So on October 13th of 2020 I deposited my first 100 euros onto the Trading212 platform, and October 26th trading started with the first share bought. Then for 2021 I added $180 more and kept on buying and selling stocks for the next 8 months. Currently everything is sold, there are no open positions, and Trading212 reports that we deposited 280 euros and we have a realized profit of $126.19. So all in all we currently have 404 euros and 17 cents in the account available as free funds. To keep track on the trades in progress, I started this Google Sheets list for the account. Here I was listing the company, the date when the buying was done, how many shares was bought and at which price, and then we were tracking the current market price to see how much of a potential gain or loss we have if we sell right now. Then after actually selling the position I tracked the date, the price that the share was sold at, and the actual gain or loss in both dollars and euros. So for the last 10 months we deposited 280 euros and got the portfolio to 404 euros and 17 cents, which means that we have a gain of 124 euros and 80 cents, and that suggests a growth of over 44% in less than a year. So I'm really happy with the performance that we got, but how good was the trading platform itself? Let's get into our pros and cons. So the first pro for using Trading212 is fractional shares. The ability to use fractional shares in trading really helps, because you don't need to look how much one share of a company costs. You can just buy a part of a share for the money that you currently have. So with my deposits summing up to 280 euros, I was still able to look into any companies that I wish starting a position in. Unfortunately, there's also a first con with the fractional shares. If I'm trading stocks, it means that I have some price targets set up. So using limit orders really helps in buying the exact prices that I'm interested in getting. But Trading212 doesn't allow fractional shares for such orders. So if you want to do a limit order, you have to buy or sell whole shares. This really takes a toll, as you have to manually monitor all the charts that you are interested in taking a position or selling at. Now let's do another pro, and that is the invite a friend campaign for getting free shares. So by using Trading212, you get this unique link for sharing with your friends or anyone you want. If someone uses that link and opens an account, then you and your friend each get a random free share. This is really appealing because usually European brokers do not offer such incentives. Even with the limit of 20 friends, it really helps to push that link out. But with this pro also comes a con. To participate in the invite a friend promotion, you need to be a resident of one of these following countries. So this is the list of the 9 countries that are able to use the unique links. The problem is that I'm from Lithuania, and my country is not one of these, which in turn suggests that I can't get and use links and can't use the benefits of this promotion. I actually reached out to Trading212 by mail, and the answer there was the same: you are not eligible to apply. So that is why this is another con for me. The promotion is great, but not everyone is allowed to join. A third pro for this platform is commission-free trading. When I joined, Trading212 was completely free. So a bank transfer deposit is free of charge, with the minimum deposit amount being at 1 euro. This wasn't a big deal for me because I was depositing over 100 euros anyway. And with investing, I'm not yet at the point where I would be thinking about withdrawals, but Trading212 has no fees on that. Another good part is that there are no commission charges. So it's basically free trading. But we now get to another con. In Trading212 your account stays in euros. But if you are buying and selling US stocks, then these need to be converted into dollars. And here comes the issue. After selling a stock, you are not getting the dollars back. They are automatically converted back into euros, and then those euros are added to your account. And that is unfortunately not free. The broker charges 0.15% 3% for every currency conversion made. So if you start a position, you convert from euros to dollars, and then closing a positions means that you convert from dollars back to euros. So opening and closing adds up to 0.3% for every move. This really limits options, as you can't just buy and sell for a small profit. You then really need to look into better opportunities to be able to cover the currency charge and still make profit. So after laying the pros and cons, I realized that trading 212 doesn't cut for me anymore, which made me start looking for another stock trading platform. That is when I came across eToro. I was wary of the social trading at first, but then realized it is actually more transparent, and it seems that the platform has more pros than cons. So the first pro is that eToro also supports fractional shares, but the interesting part is that they are more flexible. Unlike trading 212, eToro allows to set limit orders for fractional shares, so it's possible to set a buying price and then also the dollar amount you actually want to buy. This means that you no longer have to track the graphs all the time, just set the limit orders with your price targets and be done with that. Another pro for eToro is the social trading part. I couldn't find an invite a friend and get a free share incentive, but what they do have is the popular investor program. With eToro, anyone else is able to check on your progress and positions. And if you're a decent investor, somebody else may be interested in copying your strategy. There are requirements for joining the program, but with enough interest and assets under management, eToro starts paying you for the work. So it's not as easy as sharing a link, but it's really appealing if one can show good results in trading. The third pro is that eToro is actually commission free. When depositing euros, they automatically convert them to dollars, and that means that we get an account completely in US dollars. So buying US stocks means that there are no currency conversion fees added, and all the trades are commission free too. And selling the position will mean that I will get back the invested amount in dollars, and I won't have to convert back to euros straight away. One small issue with eToro is that unlike trading 212, they do have a withdrawal fee of $5 per transfer. So that is an extra expense that will occur when taking some money out. But as mentioned before, reoccurring withdrawals are currently not the focus here. So we already had 3 pros for using eToro, but I'm even interested in adding one extra. Making a few trades in one name doesn't mash everything up together. We have the overall performance up top with the sum of money invested and the overall value of all the positions in the same name. So on July 8th, I added $100 into BABA at a price of $199.80 per share. But as the price kept going lower, on July 26th, I added $100 more and bought stock at $195.93. So with the current price of $196.33 per share, one position is now down for 1.74% and another is up for 0.2%. This suggests that I could be closing one trade for a loss, but another would be closed for a small profit. This system is quite similar of how I was tracking my trading 212 portfolio in Google Sheets. So on January 6th, I bought one share of Jinko Solar for a buying price of $71.29. But as the price kept dropping, on April 7th, I bought 3 more stocks for $40.66 each. And finally on June 28th, I sold all 4 stocks for $49.50 each, and the first trade resulted in a loss of $18.26, but it was covered with a gain of the second trade, with €22.23 in the green. So what I like about here in eToro is that I don't need to track my trades separately, but rather everything is already on the platform. And that is really a lot more convenient than putting everything yourself on Google Sheets. So after my experience with trading 212 and eToro platforms, I will be using only one of the 2 going further. This means that I will no longer be doing trades on trading 212, and the account value from here is going straight on eToro. I think that is the platform that will suit my needs, so I will be focusing on trading on it. If you are interested in tracking my trading progress, then definitely check the portfolio out. I will leave a link for it at the top of the description. So that was it with my review of both trading platforms. If you got value or new ideas, then make sure to push that thumbs up, it helps the channel a lot. Now there's a question for you: which stock investing app are you using yourself? Share your preference in a comment below. If you're interested to get more info on my trades, then consider the options on Patreon. By becoming a patron, you will get access to my eToro stock watchlist, where I set buy and sell price targets for the names that I'm interested in trading. This could be a great option to track my moves or set some for yourself. This week we did a stock comparison on large large industrials names with General Electric, Honeywell, and 3M. And we also have an update on our technical analysis trading series. If you are interested in any of these, then click on a video currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.